tell, I already have half my hair done, and I decided just to do the rest with you guys. I have a lot of hair. My hair is really thick, which I'm really grateful for, and then it has gotten pretty long. So I decided to kind of speed up the process by doing half of it already. Just get like at least 1 inch of hair to work with. And then the rest of it, I do put it in these little clips. Now, the tool that I'm going to be using today is from Revlon. I believe this one is like the 1/2 inch little barrel. And it is all the way to the highest, which is 30. So after I kind of part my hair, I just get 1/2 inch. Then when I do it by myself, what I normally like to do, I make sure to always put the wand or the flat iron going against my face. That definitely secures you from you not getting burned. And then this does get pretty hot pretty quickly, and because I'm only using a little portion of my hair, within like I would say like 10 seconds it should be curled to give me a nice tight curl. See, so you don't really have to damage your hair that much. And then I just get another little piece and pretty much just do that all the way around until I'm done. You don't have extremely thick hair, you can get like bigger pieces of hair. Normally I wash my hair every 3 days, so tomorrow this bad boy is getting washed. But this one here is not as tight as I wanted, so that means for me that I have to just get a smaller section of hair, or just leave it there a little bit longer. Make sure that if you're someone young and you're trying to do this, definitely get someone to help you out, because you could definitely burn your scalp, or you could burn yourself, which I've done in the past. I've actually had like a burn ahí arriba, and it was not pretty whatsoever. So definitely be careful and let it sit there for a little bit. But they just come out so pretty. I've seen this be I've seen girls do this with short hair, and I've seen girls with much longer hair, and I just feel like it looks really pretty, especially if you take the time. Now, because my hair is thick, it will hold the curls, so I really don't have to put that much product in my hair. The only thing that I did put Fructis smooth blow dry anti-freeze cream. I only used probably like a I would say like a nickel size of it. I warmed it up with my hands, and I just kind of gave it an even coat all over my hair. For the most part, I do put the most product on my ends, not really so much on the root of my hair, just because since my hair is so thick, it can cause it to accumulate dandruff, which I freaking hate. The same thing, still just going against my face. Okay, so I don't know how I want my part yet. I think I'm going to have my part just this way here, and then the rest we're going to keep it on the right hand side. We're getting almost close to the end. Guys, I'm so excited because my 2 stepdaughters are going to be here in a few days, and we're just so excited. Me and my boyfriend, we've just been waiting for this day. I truly do enjoy hanging out with them. It's very interesting to see you know, their personalities, to see little mini versions of my boyfriend. Ever seen that one YouTube video of the little girl? She's a little white girl, and she was doing a YouTube video of herself curling her hair just like how I am. But I don't know if it was because her hair probably was thin, or this was really hot. The hair curled with the machine. Her whole entire piece of hair came off. If I could find it, I'll post it for you. Yo, it's so freaking funny. I feel so bad. The other side. I'm gonna try to speed this up a little bit. You guys can definitely go ahead and just leave this as it is with the tight curls, or if you just kind of want to run your fingers through your hair, that gives you guys like a more of a loose curl. But this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. All right guys, so before we end this video, I do want to go ahead and give out my huge shout out. Today is going to be for Jessica. Jessica, it has been a really amazing supporter since I first started my channel. She always makes sure to view them, like them, share her thoughts with me as well. She also has her own YouTube page. Information down below if you guys want her YouTube channel. Leave me a comment down below, and like that you can also get a shout out on my next video. Until next time, bye guys.